Today I'm gonna show you how to make chicken and rice in one pot. You're not gonna need to boil rice, you're not gonna need to watch your chicken, it's all gonna happen in this one pot. I'm Megan Mitchell, a chef, a recipe developer, and a food stylist at Mealthy, and today I'm here to show you how to use the Mealthy MultiPot. And I'm gonna show you how to make one of my favorite and easiest recipes, chicken and rice. All day I cook, I food style, I don't wanna come home and slave in the kitchen any longer. So this cuts down on my time, it's ready to go. I set it, I forget it, I leave, take a nap, I come back, it's ready. Let's start by sauteing our mushrooms, and I'm gonna hit the saute button. I'm gonna add in some extra virgin olive oil. And you know it's ready when it makes a beep, and that means, hey Meg, I'm heating up right now. I do not want to put my mushrooms in a cold pan, so I'm just gonna let it heat up for a second or two. My oil is ready, I'm gonna add in my mushrooms. You just wanna saute these until they're golden brown. The key to getting golden brown mushrooms is don't move them around a lot, don't salt them until they brown. Also, do not wash them underwater because they're a sponge and they absorb all that water, so just give them a little time. My mushrooms are golden brown, I'm gonna add my onions. And also add my garlic. And I'm adding this now because if I added it at the beginning with the mushrooms, it would just cook too long and my garlic might burn. I don't want my onions to cook down that much. I just want them to be a little translucent. So give this a stir. And at this point, you can season with salt and pepper. My onions have cooked down, my mushrooms are browned. I'm gonna hit cancel because now I'm going to add everything to the pot. I'm gonna deglaze the pot with half a cup of my chicken stock. I have 2 cups here. I just wanna get up any little brown bits that may have formed on the bottom of the pot. Once this stops simmering, I'm gonna add in my chicken. And I'm gonna add in my rice, which I've rinsed until it runs clear, until the water runs clear. This helps it not stick together when you cook it. All right, I'm gonna add my rosemary, add some flavor, and my thyme. I love rosemary and thyme with chicken. I think they just complement each other really well. Give this a stir. Make sure everything's fully incorporated. And I'm gonna add in the rest of my chicken stock. One more stir. Make sure all of the rice is submerged in the liquid. Once this is done, the rice is light and fluffy and the chicken is cooked perfectly. A little more salt and pepper. And we are good to seal it up. Take your lid, and there's an arrow on the lid, and there's an arrow also on the base. So line those up, and it'll say success, and then you lock it, and it does that noise, which says good job again. And then you wanna set the valve, there's a venting and a sealing, and you wanna set it to sealing. So there's a poultry button and there's a rice button, but I'm cooking them together, so I'm just gonna do pressure cook. Hit the button, and I want it for 5 minutes. So go down to 5. And then just wait and it'll beep, and that's how you know it's pressurizing. Yep, this means I'm getting ready. So it'll say on, and then once it's pressurized, it'll start counting down from 5 to 4, 3, 2, 1. Once it's done, I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes, which will continue cooking, and then I'm gonna do a quick pressure release. I'll show you how. So we heard the beep, which means it's ready to go. You can see on the progress indicator, it went from preheating to cooking, so we will just let it do its thing. All right, so my 5 minutes are done. I'm gonna hit cancel. I'm gonna wait 5 more minutes, and then I'm gonna do a quick pressure release. But this will continue cooking it a little bit, so I'm just gonna wait 5 more minutes. I'm just gonna stand really close to it and wait 5 more minutes. All right, it's ready to be released. So carefully turn the valve. Stand back, because this is hot steam, guys. You'll know this is ready when it stops releasing the steam and the red floater actually goes down. Yep, do you see that? It's ready. Careful, there's still steam inside. Smells so good. I immediately smell the rosemary and thyme. The rice is cooked, the chicken's cooked, most importantly, the chicken's cooked. And it just, this is a one pot, one dish meal. Perfect for weekdays, perfect for busy moms, perfect for people that aren't moms like me that just don't feel like cooking sometimes. I put a little thyme on it because it just needs some greenery. It needs a little something. See how easy it is to make chicken and rice? This took 10 minutes to make. Are you kidding me? Come on, that's crazy. For this recipe and more MultiPot recipes, go to the Mealthy app or mealthy.com. Happy cooking.